Hello, Fatima and Ahmed. How are you both doing after the Eid celebrations?
We're doing well, Ollie. Eid was truly a wonderful time. How about you? How was your Eid?
Oh, it was fantastic. The atmosphere was filled with joy and blessings. But the best part was sacrificing the goat. We had it prepared and shared the meat with our neighbors and those in need. It was a fulfilling experience.
That's wonderful, Ali. Sacrificing an animal and distributing the meat among the less fortunate is a beautiful way to celebrate Eid. It shows our gratitude and compassion for others.
Absolutely, Ahmed. I had a similar experience. Our family also sacrificed a goat, and we made sure to distribute the meat to the needy in our community. Seeing their happiness was truly heartwarming.
Fatima, did you have any particular reason for sacrificing the goat this year?
Yes, Ollie. We wanted to commemorate the spirit of sacrifice and understand the importance of empathy. By offering the sacrifice, we learn to appreciate the blessings in our lives and share them with others.
That's a beautiful perspective, Fatima. Sacrifice is not only about the physical act but also about the willingness to give and help those who are less fortunate. It teaches us empathy, selflessness, and gratitude.
I'm so glad we could have this conversation and share our Eid experiences. It's a testament to our friendship and the values we hold dear.
Eid Mubarak. To both of you. Bye.